हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल एंड आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ 8 बेनिफिट्स ऑफ लर्निंग इंग्लिश. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट इज़ improve and widen employment opportunities. Yes, as the primary language of communication across the globe, proficiency in English is a high sought after skill in the international workplace. And one of the benefits of learning English is therefore that it significantly boost your job opportunities. Can you believe this? It is really happening. Job applicants with fluency in English on their CV, resume are statistically proven to have increased hiring potential. This creates a lot for you, and this may prove especially important in nowadays because countries experiencing economic downturn and employments. So partly as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, it is all widely recognized as those with second language fluency, whether they are bilingual or have suddenly a foreign language, can generally expect a higher salary up to 10% to 50% than those without. It is worth nothing that some global professions have a particular need for English speakers, given that the main language within them and global communication conducted within their communities is English. Yes, it is that much profitable. So the next is explore the world with confidence. Yes, I can say that it is a part of confidence where we are traveled with many of unconditioned, where we felt like we all don't have any confidence, and in that case it is very much helpful. This English language is very much helpful for us, that in traveling and exploring the world are once again on many people's agendas, and as well as this country where English is the main language, such as UK, United States, Canada, New Zealand and Australia. There are scores of different countries which also list English as an official language. This includes Malaysia, Singapore and all of that, etc. Okay, so here is all this, and knowledge of English equips you with the tools to travel and communicate more effectively in so many parts of the world, which in turn allows to you to explore and travel more confidently and to learn more about the countries and cultures you visited. So yes, I can tell that this English is really very much confidential for us in exploring different types of countries as well. After this, moving to the third benefit is access world-class education system and establishment. Another reason to study English is the access it can give you to some of the best education systems and institutes in the world. Many of the world's best universities are either situated in the UK and the USA or use English as the main language for their courses, and English skills are therefore key when it comes to applying. If you aspire to study as an English speaking university, including like Oxford and all that, then achieving English proficiency is really essential for you all, guys. So please learn English. If you are on the way to learn English, so please let it be. So moving towards the fourth benefit, increase your cognitive ability. Learning a second language is proven to be one of the best way to keep your brain challenged and active. Yes, studies have shown that the brain undergoes challenges in electrical activity and even structure and size while learning another language, changes which do not occur when learning any other type of task or skill. No matter what age you start at, there are many benefits to learning a new language. Yes, in addition to your native language. Okay, so don't hang out or don't create some big task. It is really very easy to start with. So, moving towards the fifth benefit is start a life in an English speaking country. Yes, another benefit of learning English is that it can offer you the chance to move to an English speaking country. Often, to become a citizen in an English speaking country, you must achieve a certain level of English proficiency. Speaking and understanding English will also improve your chances of finding employment and will help you converse and communicate successfully with those around you, whether it is at the supermarket, the doctor, or with the new friends and neighbors. And it is very become a chance to live in the other country and has that ability to speak very large amount of fluency. Yes, I am telling it. So the sixth benefit is improve communication skill. When you learn English as a second language, you are also learning new way to think and express yourself both verbally and through the written word. Learning multiple languages can help you communicate more clearly in any languages as you learn more about how language itself works and how to use it to communicate with others in all kind of social, educational and professional settings. Well, I am also nowadays uh, trying to speak in English and also learning and just for to clear my communication skills. Yeah. So the next seventh benefit is so much interesting. Open up a world of entertainment and popular culture. Yes, many of the world's most iconic films and TV shows have been produced in the English language. Much of it in Hollywood, and English fluency will offer you the chance to enjoy and appreciate them in their original form, either with or without subtitle. Yes, watching and reading English language media will also enhance your language skill, in particular your listening skill and reading skill. Familiarity with this type of world famous pop culture will open up endless topics of conversation when you come to practicing your speaking skill tools. Yet it is that much easy that you may can add in Hollywood and yes also in Bollywood. भाई आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में एंटर कर सकते हो एंड इट इज़ समहाउ प्रोफेशनल ऑल्सो एंटरटेनमेंट ऑल्सो इट्स गोज यस एंड सबसे लास्ट और जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है improve your confidence. Yes, being able to speak a foreign language is a sought after and much admired skill. No matter what your motivation for learning, a final benefit of learning English or any other foreign language, therefore, is the pride and self confidence that comes with knowing your language skill can help your work and traveling in different parts of the world and communication with people from all kinds of cultures and backgrounds. I tell you in the before first topic of the benefits in before, and self confidence can take you far in the world of today, and mastering a new and useful language will certainly help you achieve it that yes you want it. एंड इफ़ यू ऑल गाइज नाउ ऑन हैव अ क्वेश्चन कि क्या ज़रूरी है इंग्लिश सीखना? ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इन नाउ डेज़ स्किल एक पार्ट बन चुका है इंग्लिश हमारे स्किल का. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो वेरी एक्चुअली आई कैन से वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज़. सो मस्ट ट्राई टू लर्न इट एंड कैसी लगी वीडियो ज़रूर बताना. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर. बाय.